In this lesson, we're going to talk about multiplication of decimals with zeros in the product. So the first thing I'm going to do is flip my paper sideways and draw some boxes so I can keep everything lined up. And this is going to look really easy, but because it looks so easy, a lot of kids go too fast and they end up making really silly mistakes. So you need to make sure you're doing all the steps because these are the ones that are really easy to make mistakes on. So if I have 6/100 times 4/10, I'm going to start off by looking at my decimal place value spots. So I know I'm going to do 3 hops when I get to the end. I know 6 times 4 is 24, easy. I don't have anything else I need to do at this point because 4 times 0 and 4 times 0 and 0 times all these numbers, just going to be a big pile of zeros that you don't want. I'm going to hop 3 times. 1, 2, 3. The thing that people mess up on this are these empty spots. Anytime you have a gap, you have to put a 0. So this one is 24 thousandths. Let me show you another one. This is 4/100 times 2/10. So I know 4 times 2 is 8. That's easy, but this is what you have to pay attention to. How many decimal place value spots do you have? You have 3. So that means I'm going to have to hop 3 times. 1, 2, 3. This is where using the line paper is going to help you a whole lot because once I place that decimal, I can see how many columns I need to add zeros in. And this answer would be 8 thousandths. I'm going to show you one more as an example. On this one, I'm going to have 3/100 times 4/10. Well, I know 3 times 4 is 12. I count my decimal place value spots. There's 3. So that means I have to do 3 hops. 1, 2, 3. Put my dot, drop a 0 in the empty spots, and I'm done. On some problems, you only have two hops to do, like this one, 5/10 times 5/10. I'm going to count my spots. I'm going to go 2 hops. At the very end, I know 5 times 5 is 25, but I'm going to have to hop 1, 2, and put my dot here, and I have 25/100. Be really careful on these because a lot of kids want to drop it straight down. You cannot do that on these. You have to do the hops. Once you get done, you have to do the hops for the number of place value spots. I'm going to do one more. So this is 6/100 times 3/10. I'm going to do 3 hops. When I get to the end, 6 times 3 is 18. 1, 2, 3. Drop my dot, fill zeros in. And it's really easy once you get the hang of it.